I think there's a really solid potential trade idea on the Swiss franc. Here's why. So firstly, we can look right here. We get actually a 38 out of 100 bearish score. We can also see that partly why we're getting that score is because central bank stance is showing weakness. We can also see COT levels are also pretty weak, and bank research as well have also shown weakness on the Swiss franc. Now, let's talk a little bit as to why that is, right? Well, we'll start with the fundamentals, right? If we take a look at the manufacturing PMI data, we're seeing weakness across PMIs, we're seeing weakness across inflation, we're seeing weakness across retail sales. We also know that Swiss National Bank is actually still holding rates at 0%, so there's no real yielding factor. Now, one thing that could cause a little bit of mixed signals here is actually the KOF leading indicator. Essentially what it is a leading indicator that looks ahead about 6 months on the Swiss economy. Now that showed actually pretty positive data. But nonetheless, what we care about right now is what is the data showing us for us to potentially take a trade currently and maybe hold it for a couple of days, right? And what we're seeing with that is that it's weak, right? There's no real reason to be buying the Swiss franc, and that's the reason for why a lot of the pairs, be it Euro Swiss franc, Pound Swiss franc, AUD Swiss franc, USD Swiss franc, have all been strengthening a lot more. And the reason for that is really the yield factor, right? So if we take a look at the Euro Swiss franc, I'm actually currently in a position, but I am looking to potentially look for scale-ins if needed, because I think there is some real opportunity for continuation. If we take a look at the daily chart, we can actually see that price have broken out of that clear resistance area right here, and we have pulled back into this level for potential continuation, right? So far it's been doing pretty decently. So what we can see is that price has tapped into that 100 moving average, and I think this is extremely clean. We can also see that price tapped into this nice 4-hour area of resistance as well, and I think we can possibly look for higher prices.